And let's do the same thing on the left. Now from the ends, let's bring it down slightly. Then let's curve it back up. And then an S-shaped curve above each eye to form the eyelashes. And then let's color this part in black. Now above the eyes, on the inside, let's add one more small curve. Now underneath, let's draw a curve down and back up. And the same thing on the other side. And now inside each eye on the top right, let's draw a small heart. Next, above each eye, let's draw the eyebrows. And then thicken them up toward the center. And that's it for the eyes. Let's move down and draw the nose next. In the center, in between the eyes, let's draw a small line, and then a point out to the left. Now underneath, let's draw the mouth. We'll start with a line across, a U shape down and up. And inside on the top right, let's add a small tooth. And then a curve underneath for the tongue. Next, let's hop to the sides and draw the sides of the face. We'll start with angled lines down. And then let's curve them down to a point in the center. Next, underneath the chin, let's draw two curves down for the neck. And that's it for the face. Let's draw the hair next. Let's start above the right eye and let's draw a small curve up, down to the right side, and then an S curve down. Then let's follow that same curve back up like this, stopping here. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's draw a curve over to the left, curve it down to the eye, and S curve out like this. And again, let's draw another S curve up. Now at the top of the head, let's add a few small curves under the hairline here. And then on the top left, let's add a rectangle shape here for the hair clip. Next, let's hop to the left and let's draw a wavy line down, and then curve it back in. Now let's hop to the top right and let's draw a curve up. Then bring it over to the left and a wavy line down and back up. Next, let's hop back up to the top and draw the right side. Let's draw a curve down, in, back out, and then flick it out at the end. And then from the bottom, let's curve it back up and in. Next, let's finish off the bottom right side of the hair. On the right here, let's draw another wavy piece of hair on the side. Then underneath, a point down. Two more points curving outward. Then curve it in. An S-shaped curve up. And then two curves to close it off to the neck. Now let's hop over and finish off the left side. Let's start next to the left eye and let's draw an S-shaped curve down and back up at the end. Then underneath, let's draw a curve down with 2 points at the bottom. And another piece to the left of it. Then let's move over to the right and draw a curve in, a wavy line up, and then 2 more pointed pieces to the neck. And that's it for the head. Let's move down and draw the body next. We'll start from the neckline and extend it outwards and down to the shoulders. Then at the top, let's draw 2 curves for the top of the sweater. Next, let's leave a gap and let's draw angled lines down to the side of her sweater. Then at the bottom, let's angle it in, and then a curve across the bottom to close it off. And now inside at the bottom, let's draw a curve. And vertical lines inside this section. Next, let's draw her arms. For the shoulders, let's angle it down on both sides. And then let's bring it in. And then a bent line to close it off. And then let's move up and let's draw 2 curves here for the elbows. And that's it for her sweater. Let's move down and draw her skirt next. Underneath the sweater, let's draw angled lines down for the sides of the skirt. Then let's bring it in on both sides. And now along the bottom of her skirt, let's draw small flowers like this. And now in the gaps between the flowers, let's draw lines for the bottom of the skirt. And lastly for the skirt, let's add some more flowers inside. And that's it for the skirt. Let's move down and draw the legs next. Let's start in the center and let's draw a long line down. Then on the left, we're going to angle it in, curve it out, and back in. And the same thing on the right. Then from the center, let's bring it down a little bit longer. And then from the sides, let's angle it out. And then let's add a curve at the bottom. Next, let's add the details on her shoe. Let's add a curve at the bottom of each foot for the toe of her shoe. Then for the inside, an angle, and then bring it down. And the same thing on the other shoe. And the same thing on the outside. Next, in the gap, let's draw the shoelaces with X's. Then at the top, let's draw 2 loops for the top of the shoelaces. And then add a curve at the top for the tongue of the shoe. Now at the bottom, let's draw a line down in the middle and on the sides. And then curves at the bottom to close it off. And lastly, on each leg, let's draw 2 curves for the top of the socks. And that's it for Enid. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!